So to kind of add on to what I was just saying right now, at the end of the day, we all got into trading for what? To make money, to be our own boss. Because we wanted to cop Lamborghinis. We wanted to buy Rolexes. You know what I'm saying? We just wanted a vacation. We wanted to take care of our family, spend more time with our family. So what does that make us? We could all have different reasons. But we all have one thing in common. It makes us an investor. Simple. A lot of us are just smarter than others. And a lot of us are way better than others. Me, I don't know about y'all. And I don't know about the other gurus on here. But me, I'm trying to be a billionaire. I really am. I don't want to be a millionaire. I made $1 million already. I'm not happy with it. Yeah, cool. I made $1 million. I'm not worried about that. I want to make $1 billion. So I'm going to keep investing my money, create generational wealth so my kids don't have to struggle like I did. Simple. Instagram, man, just let that motivate you, bro. Just let it motivate you, man. Look at that, man. Bought the Rolex poster last year in January. Last year. Took me a year to actually physically buy the damn thing. I bought it cash too. Check my highlights. Anyways, guys, just let that motivate you, man. It's not hard, bro. It's not. And I know it's not fair for me to physically say this because I'm at where I'm at and you guys aren't here on this level. But bro, it's so easy. All you gotta really do is one thing. Don't give up. Simple. The next time you guys want to quit, I'm going to say this in a highlight. Come back and look at this. The next time you want to quit, guess what? Daniel Savage would have quit. Guess what? He'd be washing cars, but I would be washing another Urus instead of my own. Simple. It's all about the mindset, baby. It's all about the mindset, man. It's all about the mindset, man. All about the mindset. Was I going to keep washing Lamborghinis? Or was I going to buy them? Simple. That's just how it is. I'm just here to motivate people, man. I'm here to motivate. That's it.